Some food allergies are diagnosed in children and persist into adulthood. Which leads to the question, why are allergies becoming more common? Well, it's in part due to healthcare providers increasing their recognition and diagnosis of allergies. It's also due to hygiene hypothesis. This is less exposure to dirt and germs that interferes with normal maturation and regulation of the immune system. It's also due to changes in food processing over the years. Also, inadequate intake of vitamins and the timing at which foods are introduced to kids. Because of the Food Allergen Labeling and Consumer Protection Act of 2004, food manufacturers and packagers have to declare the presence of major food allergens on food packages. So, the Academy of Nutrition suggests that parents read food labels carefully and they educate family members, caregivers, and teachers about allergy severity. They also suggest that they teach children about their allergies at a young age in order to fully understand its severity.